About this item, greatest functionality on the market, 5 interchangeable blades, means this cook's tool and gadget set meets all of your slicing, grating and chopping needs. Choose the perfect thickness of your sliced vegetables with the easy-to-use adjuster dial, and select the ideal size for your chopped vegetables by simply changing the inserts. Bonus handheld spiralizer, compact and easy to use. The Fullstar Mandoline Slicer comes with a bonus 3-in-1 adjustable spiralizer. Unlike large units, this kitchen gadget is easy to store and a breeze to clean as it is dishwasher safe, keeping you and your family safe. We know our stainless steel blades are high quality and razor sharp. Our set therefore comes with a finger guard and protective glove to keep you safe whilst you are using the spiral slicer, and a cleaning brush and blade organizer for when you aren't. The ABS plastic is non-toxic and pot-free, guaranteeing healthy meals for your family. No mess and no slips. Our catch tray makes cooking so much more convenient. No mess and no messing around. It makes cleaning effortless, and our non-slip base also makes your slicing, chopping and grating that much easier. Plus, the slicer chopper is entirely dishwasher safe. Top rack. A kitchen essential. Whether you're a novice cook or a seasoned pro, the Fullstar food chopper is a must-have in any kitchen. It's versatile, easy to